The closest volcano to us here in Montana is Yellowstone. Um, Yellowstone has quite a history and is very unique in itself. The things that make it unique is it has the largest number of geothermal features anywhere in the world. It is the only place where they haven't been tapped for energy. It's actually the only place where molten sulfur reaches the surface other than a moon of Jupiter. And NASA actually first began to study what are called extremophiles, these bacteria, here at Yellowstone National Park. So a lot of things make it different. It's a super volcano, meaning that it's one of the largest volcanoes on this planet. Actually, it is the largest volcanic center in the world. Um, and it has some famous geothermal features. You can see pictured here is Old Faithful Geyser. This is Grand Prismatic Mineral Pool, the largest one in the park. And these are the mud pots or artist paint pots, all created by that magma chamber located underneath Yellowstone National Park. It has had a series of volcanic eruptions throughout history. A couple that I'd like to point out to you so you understand. This is probably a little hard to read, but right here, this little ball represents the amount of material erupted in the 1980 eruption of Mount St. Helens. Okay. Then if we move down the line a little bit, this next one right here is Pinatubo from 1991. This one is about 18 times larger than Mount St. Helens. If we look over here, this is Yellowstone's historic eruptions. This one right here, and this, the largest one that occurred 2 million years ago. This one is about 2,000 times the amount of material erupted by Mount St. Helens. So massive eruptions on a scale like nothing we've seen before. Mount St. Helens affected a large area of the Northwest. Mount Pinatubo's eruption dropped the global temperature on this planet a half a degree the next year. And these eruptions from Yellowstone are much, much larger than anything that we've seen in historical times. And their effects would be global and on a massive scale.